Let's build our writing skills. Writing can be lots of fun as we practice it together. Kindly take a print of this worksheet and get started with this writing activity.
Hello everyone! Welcome to your pre-writing classes. Today we shall learn about the zigzag line. Never straight, always slanting. This activity shall help us write alphabets such as W, M, N, V successfully in the future. We are helping the butterflies reach out to the flowers. Let's begin. Row 1. Start on the bottom dot and rotate the pencil in an up and down fashion. Stay on the dotted lines. Zigzag lines are continuous slanting lines. Do not lift the pencil until all 4 zigzag lines are complete. Good work! Row 2. Place your pencil on the dot below and go up and down until it is complete. Take full control of the pencil. Make your grip tight. Zigzag lines are a bunch of repetitive slanting lines. Neat work! Let's do it together. Up and down is the best way to remember the zigzag lines. Follow the dotted lines. Repetition helps with memory and effective learning. Writing this shall make letter writing very easy. Row 4. Zigzag lines are slanting lines which meet. Start at the bottom and go up and down. Always remember to improve your writing skills. Let's complete our worksheet. That's some amazing work done by you. Quiz time. Identify the zigzag lines from the following lines. A. Sleeping. B. Standing. C. Humps. D. Zigzag. You are brilliant! Yes, the answer is D. Share the Zigzag line class with your friends today.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.